do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. All for your kingdom, all for your glory. He must become greater, so I become less. He must become greater, so I become lesser.
Well, hello darlings, and welcome back. Today's video is all about what I eat in a day, vegan style. And yes, this girl is starting off a little late in the day. It's probably around about 10 or 11 a.m. but that's okay. We're gonna do it. We're gonna get this breakfast going. My allergies is kicking my butt, but that's all right. We're gonna do what we do. And so I have a taste for a BLT sandwich, but instead of using bacon, I am going to make my bacon as in form of an eggplant. That is right, an eggplant. I'm just gonna use 2 little slices of the eggplant. What I'm using is my sauce. Instead, I'm gonna use a little honey. I know we all got some honey, some little vanilla flavor somewhere in the kitchen, and then this is the smoky liquid. I want to give it that little taste of that bacon, and of course we all got us a little soy sauce package somewhere in the house, and mix it up that Parnika. We're gonna make this do what it do. Mix it all together, and then I'm just gonna brush it on there, give it what it do to make it look somewhat like a bacon. You know what I'm saying? So let's get this breakfast going because I am hungry. I gotta take my medicine, gotta get ready for the gym. I gotta get my mindset, and I can't get my mindset when I'm hungry. Alright, so I'm going to put the eggplants in my Ninja Griller. I wanted to have that really crisp taste to it, and I'm just going to put it on that 10-minute mark. I don't want it to burn, but I do want it to give it that little crisp that I'm looking for. But I'm going to put some foil on my crisp pan because I don't want, you know, to mess it up. I'm just being like it is. I don't want to mess up my pan. And all you're going to do is just place it on there and let it do what it do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the leftovers up because you know I'm going to do this again, girlfriend. And look at it. Whoop, whoop. Don't this look like some bacon? I'm proud of myself. So let me go ahead and make these eggs. You know, this ain't the real eggs, but hey, we're going to do what we do. We got to season it up. We're going to put that salt and that pepper on there. But you know, I'm going to keep it real. You know, these eggs, they don't feel like the texture of eggs, but I promise you, once you season them to your liking, they would do what it's supposed to do. Alright, so I gotta put my toast on the grill. I gotta have that grill mark. I gotta have that buttery taste to it. You know what I'm saying? That's what makes it so special. And let's put it all together. We're gonna put that bread. We're gonna put them little eggs on there. I'm gonna cut up my bacon, you know, make it look kind of thick. And then we ain't gonna finish right there. You know, we gotta put our little special touches to it. I'm gonna put my little jam. That's from Krogers, y'all. That jam is the bomb. It's so good. It's a sugar-free jam. And then I'm going to put some little avocado on there. And bam, put that little seasoned salt on there. That little salt and that pepper. Man, we got us a sandwich. This is a sandwich right here. All right. This is so good. You can taste the eggplant, the crispiness of the eggplant from the being in the fryer. The butter on the bread from the griller, the avocado, my strawberry jam. This is good. It's a late breakfast, but I gotta eat something to take my medicine.
because I'm finding out new ways to cook my food. Excuse me for talking with food in my mouth. You don't necessarily have to eat meat. There are so many different options that you can choose from. So I found me another way to make my bacon. And you know, the processed bacon that is in the freezer section. Now, I'm not telling nobody not to eat Morningstar. That is my favorite brand, or any other brand that's out there. But I'm trying to live a lifestyle to be accustomed to that will allow me not. And finding these ways is working so great for me. All you gotta do is put your little special touch to it. I will see you at lunch, girlfriend, and so I'm finna eat this. Probably lay down a little bit. I gotta get myself together because I gotta go to the gym, but in a minute. It's good. The avocado, the peanut butter, and then this bread. It's good. Just enough to hold me up till I get ready to go to the gym. I know it's a little late to be eating it. Wow. I'm doing it. Okay. So I will see you when I get to the gym. So I like this bread. Maybe too nutty, but this one right here, I do eat this. So all right, so let me see here. Here they go, right here, the ones that I like. See what I'm saying? This shit, look at this. Oh my gosh, but I love it. So what I'm gonna get the peach. I like the ginger lemon, but that's not my brand, so I'm not gonna tackle that. Let me see what they got down here. Is this the ginger? No. I like the ginger. Carrot. Ugh. What's this right here? Pink Lady Apple. No. No. This isn't, here it is. Here it is right here. Okay. Got cauliflower. Do I have I think I got enough broccoli. What the heck is this? Ooh. One asparagus. So let me go over here. Oh, Brussels sprouts. They got these already bagged for $2.99 a pound. Yeah, let me get it. Alright, so where is the oysters? They out right here, but they don't look good. Ooh.
good. What's going on? This look okay. I'm gonna get this one. Alright, here's my just eggs. Ooh. $4.99 the price of eggs. I get that. But wait a minute. All day egg scramble. Nah, I'm gonna stick with what I know. I know this. Stick with this. Ooh, and they got some meatballs. I wonder how these taste. They look good. Okay, I will get these. I don't need no tofu. I got plenty of tofu. Okay, here's what I do. Alright, I've been craving ice cream. So what is that up there? Okay, all of these are plant-based. Oh, what? Mango, what's this? Caramel, mint, vanilla. Oh, I don't know which one. Oh, muddy monkey. Try that one. I'm gonna go back over here. Oh, I'm going to try. I'm gonna try the caramel. Try this. Oh, what is this? This don't look. No, better not. I think that's not gonna work for me. So let's check this out. They have vegan mac and cheese. Unbelievable. You know what? I am going to try this. I mean, here's the rice. I'm gonna try this. Pine berries. Oh. I do need an eggplant. That's fused. Okay. Ooh. They're kind of mushy. You gotta eat these right now. I can get this, but I am not paying $3.50 for one pair. No, not gonna happen. Not in this life. We got some pears. Korean pear. No for no $8. No. We got some pears. Oh, they need to throw this one away. We got some pears. Got some pears, right? this looks interesting.
It's raining. I do not like rain. It just stopped now. Oh, let me turn this down. Right here. I'm addicted. It's so good. They're so good. And these kombucha drinks. This is the ginger. I'm loving the ginger. But these are so expensive. This one right here was $3.99. And if you can get them on sale, will they be like 2 for $5? That'll be a good thing. Normally Kroger will have them for 2 for $5, but I'm at Sprouts. But this is so good. So good. Alright, so let me head to the house because this girl is tired. Oh, I gotta go to FedEx and drop off her package. That's what I gotta do. Home. I done took my bath. I'm ready to eat dinner. So what I'm going to make is a bowl. I want to use this red cabbage. I've seen a lot of people talk about this, so I'm gonna make this kimchi, whatever it is. But if I butcher the name, I'm sorry. I just purchased these at Sprouts. They look pretty good, so I'm gonna add this as my protein. See what this is going to do for me. I'm gonna see how that's tasting, and I'm gonna have some mushrooms. I'm gonna slice them up, and then over here I've already started with the rice. It's done. It just popped off.